Hello everyone, this is Wow Property here. Today we are touring a really special villa because we are on a small island. It's called Fethiye Knight and there are only 70 to 75 houses within the island, and today we are touring one of them, unforgettable Villa Casablanca, with 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, panoramic sea views and a private pier. The transportation to the island is only by boat, that's why there are no motor vehicles on the island. It's like a total escape from the city life. The price on the market is 10 million euros, but it's available for short-term rentals on Airbnb as well. Okay, let's go, I will show you the house. This is the main entrance of the house. Take a look at the front door, how impressive they are. And on the right side, we have our bathroom. I love this black design and this wall mirror with this under mirror lighting. I like how it looks from design aspect, and in the real life it gives you like optical illusion because the space looks bigger than it actually is. And as you can see, everything is well thought to the smallest detail. Next, on this side we have a closet space, a mirror, and this is the living room. As you can see, it's really spacious. You have a lot of space here, you can do whatever you want. All first floor is with this gray marble padding. All first floor except the bathroom. There's the black one. So you have your couch zone with 2 beautiful tables in the middle. On this corner you have a TV zone with a huge TV, a few design elements, and of course this is the best part of the house, the view. You can come outside to the balcony. Today it's a little bit windy because we're on the island, of course. So you have a chill spot on the right corner. Here you have your outdoor table where you can enjoy your meals outdoors as well. And on this side you have this gorgeous infinity pool. As you can see, you have 2 chairs under the water, so you can sit right in the water and enjoy your view right from the pool. I think it's really amazing. Okay, and now let's go to the kitchen. And as you can see, you have a little chill spot here as well. It's between the living room and the kitchen. So, I really love how this black design kitchen looks like. I would say this is the favorite part of the house for me because black is my favorite color, and I would like a kitchen like this in my own house as well. I love this massive island right in the middle. You have a sink and a cooktop on the island, and on this side you have an inbuilt fridge, oven, microwave, toaster. Basically, kitchen is fully prepared for everything you need. So, on this side you have your dining table. It's huge and massive. It's wooden with a glass top for sitting options for 6 people. And now let's go upstairs. I will show you the 2nd and 3rd floor bedrooms. So now we're going to the 1st bedroom of the 2nd floor. As you can see, it's really spacious as well. You have your king size bed right on the right side. You have your TV zone, the view, and there's the balcony as well, but that I will show you later. Now let's come to I would say this is like a changing room and a bathroom in one. And I was saying that the kitchen was the favorite part of the house, but now I'm not sure because I love every single detail in this bathroom. You have a huge walk-in shower and these window walls, so you can enjoy the view even when you're taking the shower. It's really impressive. And you have a lot of closet space on the right side as well. And there's a TV. And now I will show you the balcony. Okay. Whoa, yes. It's even more windier. So you have two sunbed options here as well, and a little chill spot on this corner. But you have direct access to the balcony from both bedrooms. This was the first one. And now let's go to the second bedroom. On this side we have a staircase to the third floor. But come, I will show you the second bedroom. I would say it's almost the same as the first one, only small details have changed. For example, the mirror and this table space. As I mentioned, you have direct access to the balcony as well. I will open the door. You see, you have this beautiful view again. And I'll close the door. Okay. And on the right side, there's the bathroom. It's almost the same as the first one. I would say it's a little bit bigger, and you have a full-size mirror on this wall as well. You have a TV zone, your king-size bed on this side, almost the same as the first one, but both of them are really good. Okay, and now let's go to the third floor. So this is the master bedroom, and right on the right side you have two master beds, and the view from the bed is really amazing. You have a panoramic view with the mountains, sea, and the city, and in the night when the lights are on, that view is really unforgettable. And on the right side you have your bathroom zone. It's not so big as in the second floor because the bathroom and the wardrobe, they're separate in the two zones. On the right corner you have your bathroom zone, and in the left corner you have your wardrobe zone with your closet space and a full-size mirror. On this side, the owner said that they have a plan to rebuild this zone and make a balcony here, so you have a direct access to the balcony as well, the same as in the second floor. This is your TV. Right in the middle you have your couch zone with this wooden table, a wooden table zone here as well. Yeah, and this is the master bedroom. I think it looks really impressive. But now let's go downstairs. I will show you the backyard. Come here. So this is your own little tropical paradise. You have two sunbeds here, a few seating options, and a barbecue zone as well. And there's one thing I forget to mention. there's no grocery stores on island, so you have to do all your shopping on the nearest beach. There is one restaurant on the island, so you can order food from there, but any other shoppings you have to go to the beach. And in this little backyard we are finishing our tour of this Villa Casablanca. I hope you enjoy it, and as always we will leave all the information on this property down below. If you have any interest or questions, you can click on the link. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next one.